Hey guys, what is up? How are you all doing? It's been a hot minute. Welcome back to my channel for those of you all who have been here for such a long time, such loyal subscribers of mine. I love you guys, my viewers, and welcome to my channel if this is the first time that you've come across this video and you've come across my channel. My name is Kavita and it's really nice to meet you. I just wanted to do a video just to kind of give you guys an update of what has been going on, what I have been doing, where have I been for the past couple of months. I mean, the last time that I posted a video was like, I think January. Yeah, so it's definitely been a while. So I mean, grab a cup of coffee, grab something to eat, and let's just talk if you guys want to know what's the update. So let's start with the most basic thing. I am still in school, still pursuing my bachelor's degree in applied psychology. Things have kind of slowed down, or it's been a little bit different because of the pandemic and how things have been structured in my country. It's just, you know, that transition to online. Even though we had like online classes before, it's just been a little bit different with regards to structure and like getting into the campus. We have not been able to do that since I think the second half of the pandemic, because there have been massive lockdowns in Trinidad. Like massive, yo, we can't go out really, and then only essential businesses are able to kind of operate and things like that. So that has been that. And also great news, kind of good news. So the last time that I did a video, I was actually still working at the gas station. I was doing that full-time, but you know, that was a shift thing. And something great that happened to me during the pandemic is that I got a new job. Yes, I am now, so this is like the second update, I am now working as an administrative assistant at a safety company, and it's definitely been a journey. Yeah, I mean, it still is a journey, you know, I'm still working there. That has been since November. Yeah. So I think I actually got that job before I posted my first video. And it's been totally awesome. It's something that is so out of my field, not something that I ever would have thought that I would have been doing, but it's been a learning experience. I'm learning so many things. I'm even improving on my organization skills. You guys know how that has been for me with regards to that and school, because that is taking up so much more of my time. I've actually cut down on the amount of courses that I'm doing per semester. So instead of doing like 4 or 5, I now do 2 to 3 courses. So that is kind of affecting the time of how long I'm going to be staying in this school. In a nutshell, essentially, I am supposed to be in school. I have about, let's say, about a year and a half. Possibly pushing it too far, it could be 2 years again, but I mean, a year and a half is ideal. That's what we're trying to stick with. Next, I started another business for myself, and it's been going so great so far, like super awesome. You know, the last time that the one that I currently had, that the first business that I had was Kavita's Jewels. That was my handmade jewelry business. That is still there, but I've really kind of like slowed down on it. You know, I'm not really paying much attention to it, simply because I just didn't really like the quality of the jewelry that I was making anymore, and I kind of wanted to kind of redesign the type of jewelry that I was making and how I was making it, my packaging. I just wanted to rebrand the entire business, and I had started doing that, and then I came upon this new opportunity, which I immediately took. So Kavita's Jewels is still there, but it's kind of going through a rebranding, and it's on the pause because my assets have actually gone elsewhere. You know, this current business, I've been in it for, let's say, about a year. Well, next month would actually be a full year of being in the business. Is something that I built part-time on the side, and it's just been doing so well for me. You know, I was even able to kind of gain the opportunity for like a mentorship program, so that's super awesome. Have been growing great. I am able to help other people, and that's just, you know, able to make a difference for yourself and for other people. That's just like my whole goal. With regards to like me personally, a lot of things have changed with my mindset. I actually have always never really wanted to work for others and just have a job. I never really wanted to be an employee, simply because I actually don't like answering to people. I don't like persons telling me what to do. And the most important thing, even though I'm a morning person, I don't like having to get up at 5 or 6 a.m. to go to work for 8, having to work a full 8-hour shift, having to come home at 4 or 5 p.m. I just don't like it. I never liked having to like answer to people and having a job. I mean, I personally believe that you always have to start somewhere in life, and I kind of think you have to start, you most likely have to have a job before you could ever start something on your own. But I've always been the quickest person to kind of grasp the opportunity when I was given the chance to start something of my own and create something and build something for myself. And that is something that I've been working on like for my future, because I see it as so much different. I don't want to be working for people anymore. I want to be able to create areas where I can hire people and everybody is cut out for employment. I love the experience that I would have had. I love kind of working in new areas, but I want to have businesses on my own where if I choose to work in a position just to get the experience or just to learn something about it, that would be my choice. I do not have to work or rely on a paycheck to kind of source my income. And that's just something that a lot of like has been going through my mind for all of this time. So I've been working on that, and then just trying to like venture out into so much new things. One of my goals as well in life, because I actually still very much want to be a psychologist, but I also am thinking that I'd like to be a motivational speaker. Not sure how we're gonna do that yet, but it's something that I want to do. The whole goal of my life, really, I just want to help so many people, make a positive impact. I want to help influence people in a positive way, and I think that I'm really starting to really get onto the track of doing that, and I want to just further it as much as I could. With regards to other aspects of my life, it's been kind of on a pause. I haven't really been like able to balance everything well and successfully, but I mean, it's a work in progress, and let's be honest, we're only human beings. And guys, have you ever been able to thoroughly manage and balance every single aspect of your life? Like, I went through like having a whole depression kind of thing, to be in and out of it, and you know, it wasn't totally bad, but some days were just, I just wanted to be by myself. Like, I would just sit and cry for absolutely nothing, and I didn't even understand it at first, and then I kind of realized what was happening to me. And it wasn't really just about the pandemic, but it was just about, I think there's so much going on and having to kind of cope with that and balance everything. It was just really difficult. But things have been pretty well for me so far, and it's just like looking up, it's getting amazing for me, and it's just going to continue to be like that. And I genuinely wish that things continue to be in a positive light for you guys. I want you guys to make a difference too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed finding out what's been going on recently, and I'm so open to hearing what you have to say. Leave a comment, let me know what's going on with you guys. How has this pandemic affected you? How has life been? You know, what's the best thing that you think that it has made, you know, with regards to your life? What is the worst possible thing besides having to stay indoors all the time? And don't tell me it's having to wear a mask all the time. But so I look forward to making more videos for you guys. Let me know what it is you really want to see, you know, because I really want your feedback. Your feedback matters to me the most. And yeah, I am so excited. But bye guys.